Hey guys, it's Bonnie from Bolderbon. Welcome back. Today's plan with me is going to be in my Hobonichi Cousin. I'm going to be setting up my March monthly kit, and I also grabbed an extra March deco kit as well. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, yay! I am so happy to be back to filming. So I thought while I put these stickers down, I would explain what's been going on and why I haven't had any videos in a couple of weeks. Usually I like to have a video every Sunday, but the last month I have not been able to film a video. December and January were so crazy busy for our shop, which is so incredible. So thank you guys so much for all of your support. But because of that, I really did not have any time to sit down and do any plan with me's or film videos. I did, however, get on Instagram and do a couple of reel videos and of course pictures. I try and do a couple different pictures every week, so I am still around. If you guys don't see a video from me, definitely head over to Instagram because I will be posting over there as well. I also started a TikTok account. Now, I have only been posting there and on Instagram for my Instagram Reels. So if you are following me on Instagram, then you'll probably see the same thing on TikTok. However, I do plan on doing some other fun little videos, possibly some behind the scenes of my Etsy shop as well. So if you guys have any suggestions, or if you guys want to see anything, definitely let me know down below. But now that the crazy months are over, you guys will start seeing a lot more videos on my YouTube channel. I have a bunch of them already planned out for the month, so you guys will start seeing those videos on Sundays, so back to normal. Now, I just finished putting down the base of the March monthly kit. I like to put all of the stickers down first, like all of the date covers, the washi strip, and then the full boxes in the sidebar before I actually start planning out the month. Then I start writing everything in. So I am going to be writing in today. I'm putting down all of my Friday boxes first. Now, Fridays are new release day, and then on the 18th, I have the larger box there because that is when we release our new collections for the month. So for March, it will be May's collection, I believe. So we do our collections 2 months ahead of time. That way you have plenty of time to put down all of your stickers and get them before the month arrives. And then if you sign up for our monthly subscription, you'll have even more time because those start shipping out from the 6th to the 10th of every month. You also save more on all of the stickers, especially if you get them as kits. So I put down all of the money signs on Monday because that's when I get paid from the Etsy shop. And then I'm putting down my Sunday YouTube video stickers. Now, last month they all remained empty. I did actually write in the video ideas that I had for last month, but I had to cross most of them off since they're already so late. So I am pulling out my sticker album now. Here's a little sneak peek at one of the new things that's going to be coming to the shop. They're little credit card holders, so you can use it in your planner or you can use it in your sticker album. I have it in my sticker album, and right now I'm holding some of my shop samplers. I also have some other shop samplers on the reverse side. Since there are 6 different pockets here, you can hold plenty on both sides. So these are actually our brand new matte clear stickers that we have in the shop. I just released a ton of icon stickers. If you guys have any specific requests, definitely let me know down below. We are making and doodling a bunch of other stickers. So I thought I would put a couple of the balloon stickers down on the 18th for our new collection, since I actually don't have any birthdays to celebrate in the month of March. Not that I can remember. I may have forgotten one, but I thought that they would be cute for our new collection anyway. The 5th is actually the last day to sign up for our new collection. That's when all of the subscriptions close at midnight on the 5th. So if you guys wanted to sign up for that, we'll have a couple of spots opened up on February 20th as well. So definitely keep your eyes out for that if you guys wanted to sign up for our subscription. So I'm just finishing off putting down all of my bill due stickers for the month. Now, I typically don't put all of that information in my Hobonichi Cousin. This planner was used just for work purposes, but I have been trying to consolidate planners. I had 5 for 2022, and a lot of them I use just for testing stickers out in. But I do use 3 of them on a regular basis. So I have my Hobonichi Weeks, this Hobonichi Cousin, and then also my A5 Daily Duo. And the Daily Duo is where I put a lot of the bills stickers because I use that as my personal planner and my work planner all in one. But I thought I would give it a try out in the monthly view. Now, I'm also going to be putting down, of course, the holiday stickers. There are 2 different sheets, so the smaller sheet and the larger sheet. I decided to use the larger stickers in the Hobonichi Cousin, but the smaller ones fit really well in the weeks. So here comes Patty. I know you guys have missed her, so I thought I would let her hang out for a little bit and say hi. So if you follow me on Instagram, then you probably saw that unfortunately we lost our other little kitty, Kiko. She was Brian's cat. He had her ever since she was a little kitty, and I got to meet her when she was teeny tiny. He had her for, I believe, about 17 years, so she did live a very long life. She was such a strong little kitty and wanted to live as long as she could, and she did. So thank you guys so much for all of your love and support. I did get a ton of messages from you guys, so I definitely wanted to say thank you. I really did appreciate it, and that's another reason why there were a lack of videos in January. So I just needed a little bit of time to grieve, and now I am ready to come back and film for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed today's plan with me in my Hobonichi Cousin. I absolutely adore it. If you guys could not tell, our theme for the month is hummingbird. So I will be doing a weekly setup and using our March deco kit as well. So if you guys want to see that video, don't forget to give this one a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!